Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be walking you through the process of adding an eTicket link to your transactional emails that are going out from Altru. So this is pretty simple to do. It just requires a few steps. So we're going to head over into web. We're going to go ahead and click on default acknowledgement email. And it's going to bring up a little dialog here. And inside this dialog, we're going to go inside of the email and we're going to be changing a link for it to link to the eTicket link. So this will allow you to be able to go in there and turn that option on. Pretty much we're just going to go down here. Again, you can add this link anywhere you like. I usually like to add it below the receipt grid. And you can just say something along the lines, eTicket. Okay. And then here, you're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and add a merge field. So we're going to go insert, and then right here is going to go merge fields. And then we're going to go ahead and click on summary, e-tickets, and you'll get this begin of e-ticket here. Drop that in there. End of e-ticket, drop that in there. And then close that here. And then you click on save. And that will go ahead and save that for you, like so. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.